Welcome back to Eagle 24H, where we enjoy the groundbreaking handling and heart-stopping moments on the street. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any hard-won lessons.
Tell me about him, I said. It was about 15 years ago.
Oh, Jesus!
The SUV behind the wooden truck likes to play hide and seek with the Grim Reaper in the opposite lane when trying to overtake. The sudden hail from under the bridge seems to be a warning. This white minivan probably sees the red light as just a decorative suggestion. Who would make a reckless left turn when someone else's light is already green? The white SUV driver treats the red light as air and just rushes straight into the intersection like a god. The result is a heavenly collision with the black SUV that is driving legally. The black pickup truck thought it was driving a tank on the battlefield, changing lanes domineeringly without looking back and forth. The magical night combined with the speed probably made the red car driver think he was participating in a faulty version of Tokyo Drift. The black SUV's parachute jump into the exit at minute 89 created a dramatic series of collisions. The burgundy SUV suddenly danced to the left, deciding to investigate the side of the bulky white truck closely. The silver driver thought the right side of the road was the secret VIP lane to pass. The slippery road and the laws of physics quickly taught him a lesson.
What?
The white car ran the red light like it was no man's land and gave the camera car a devastating side impact collision while it was on the green light.
Oh boy. Oh, frick.
This white pickup truck driver appears to be playing a real-life Carmageddon game, causing a chain of domino-like collisions on the highway. The black SUV drives out into the street like a king, nearly causing trouble for the camera car. With the sky getting dark, the black SUV decides to test the limits of the red light and crashes into a Honda Pilot that is making a legal left turn. A black pickup truck from the right decides that the red light is just a stage light for its side-slamming stunt into another vehicle. The black sedan made an improvised U-turn. Luckily, the camera car's horn and braking system spoke up in time.
God almighty!
The pickup truck followed the white minivan closely, probably wanting to read the license plate of the car in front. The roundabout was created for smooth traffic flow, but the black sedan driver thought it was a mini F1 racetrack, so he rushed into it without giving way. The cute little pickup truck suddenly appears from the right, making a left turn as if the road is its own, blocking the path of the camera car. This silver minivan must be a fan of artistic driving, deciding to take a shortcut by cutting diagonally across the intersection from the left turn lane, ignoring all the road markings. The dark sedan speeds through the intersection at alter speed, treating the red light as a meaningless decoration.
Like ballpark or just something, you know, like that. Just what he likes. And then,
God damn it.
The mini excavator was running around on the trailer when it decided to release energy by dropping the bucket onto the road as a surprise gift for the camera car behind. The white sedan in front decided to perform an artistic 180-degree spin and slowly drifted back down the slope.
But not like it has been in past years. Like this time last year, like our schedules were like, oh!
In the quiet space of the late-night parking lot, the pickup truck made a blind reverse, completely unaware of the pedestrian crossing behind and accidentally knocked down that person. On the highway at night, it was raining again. The white sedan in front suddenly danced on the water surface, creating an unexpected slippery road dance. The dark SUV performed another overconfident left turn from the side road, cutting in front of the camera car that was going straight. The horn sounded like a familiar reminder. The white SUV on the right suddenly found its lane a bit narrow, so it decided to encroach on the camera car's lane a bit to visit and then hurriedly return. The silver SUV driver made a risky cut corner left turn. The camera driver's long and emotional honk seemed to ask, "Are you playing with your life?" This silver pickup truck definitely ignored the lesson of yielding to the weak and almost ran over the person riding an electric scooter across the street. A bright yellow Jeep Grand Cherokee turned right out of the Target parking lot with its eyes on the sky, not paying any attention to the cyclist on the sidewalk.